Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox VR on virtual desktop. We will begin by ensuring your PC is ready, including installing necessary software like the virtual desktop streamer. Next, we will prepare your virtual reality headset to connect seamlessly with virtual desktop. Following that, you will learn the precise steps to launch Roblox directly into its VR mode. This comprehensive guide aims to help you enjoy your favorite Roblox experiences in a fully immersive environment, making setup straightforward and efficient. First, download the virtual desktop streamer from the official website and install it on your computer. Make sure you already have the Roblox player client installed and up to date on your system. Once the streamer is running, open it and take note of your computer's name. This is what your VR headset will look for. Importantly, verify that your computer is connected to a fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, as this provides the best low-latency experience for virtual reality streaming. Now, turn your attention to your virtual reality headset. Purchase and install the virtual desktop application from your headset store. This is a one-time purchase. Once installed, launch virtual desktop from your headset's application library. You should see a list of available computers on your network. Select your PC's name from this list to establish a connection. A successful connection will display your computer's desktop within your virtual reality environment, signifying you are ready for the next step. With your headset successfully connected, you can now launch Roblox. From your virtual reality desktop view, open a web browser. Head to the Roblox website and choose any game that supports virtual reality. Click the play button for the selected experience. Roblox should automatically launch in virtual reality mode. If it does not, double-check your headset's OpenXR settings, ensuring it is configured for either Steam VR or Oculus, which helps Roblox recognize your virtual reality setup correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.